Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'll be showing you guys this delicious cassava leaf recipe. So first you're going to need 3 bags of washed and cleaned cassava. And I got this from an Asian mart, by the way. And you will also need peanut butter, and the one that doesn't have sugar. And you're going to need about 1.5 pounds of turkey meat or whatever assorted meat that you want. And so here I have my cayenne pepper flakes, as well as your palm oil, and I also got that from the Asian mart, or you can go to an African mart. So here I have ginger, garlic, and onions that have been cut up into pieces, and you will be adding the cassava leaves to a blender with peanut butter. Alright. And I will also be adding in water to it so that it can blend smoothly. And as you can see, the water has reached almost the top of the blender. Alright. And so now I'm going to be adding in the ginger, garlic, onion that I mentioned. I added green seasoning off camera. But I'm also going to add a little bit more water because I also realized, like, yeah, you're gonna have to mix this with peanut butter. So yes, I am blending it as you see now, and I want it to be very smooth. And this is what you should be looking for in the texture of your cassava leaf, because cassava leaf can be hard if it's like not enough water when blending. So yeah. So as for my meat, I am going to add in my Knorr cube that has been grinded already. And then I'm gonna add salt. And so sorry for missing those 2 clips of the green seasoning and the Knorr cube. But yeah, speaking of green seasoning, we're adding that right now. It's kind of been a while since I've added it. And I'm adding in my cayenne pepper flakes right now. I'm gonna add more later on, but my family, they don't really like a lot of heat. But I've mixed it, and now I'll be cooking this down for about 20 minutes on medium high, closer to low. So this is what it should look like after it's been cooking for a while, for about like 20 minutes, as I said. And so I have actually cooked this a little longer than 20 minutes, which is fine. But now I will add in the cassava paste, the cassava leaf paste mixed with the peanut butter and ginger, garlic, onion, and all the other seasonings. And I will mix it with water. And as you can see, I've added a little bit of water. Alright, because you do want to cook this down. But before, we will add in our palm oil. And what the palm oil is going to do is not only give it taste, but give it a nice darker color. Because, hey, that's how it's supposed to be. And now you're going to add your salt as well. And now I will place this lid on and let it cook for about 40 minutes. But this is what it should look like as it's cooking. It's been only 20 minutes. So see you in another 20 minutes. And after another 20 minutes, this is what it should look like. This is your delicious cassava leaf. And it looks pretty. So thank you so much for watching my video. I know it's been a while. I am going to upload more often. But thank you. Please have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Goodbye.